Hey guys, RB the Garden Nanny. I am so used to making salads for the week. I thought, why not share my jarred salads? I have a variety of different jars. I like the wide mouth jars better because you can put your hand in it. So yeah, I'm doing 5 salads today, and I'm just going to show you my method. First up, I always use my dressing, which is my choice is the poppy seed dressing, organic from Aldi's. Their brand is Simply Nature. So I always use that. Use a 2 tablespoons is 160 calories. So I put that on the bottom. That's the first thing that I do. And I transfer this into this beautiful glass jar that I found, and I love it. I got 3 of them, and so I just keep my dressings in this and then get rid of this jar. So first is dressing, then I will use black beans or red kidney beans or canola.
Oh my God!
Any kind of beans that you want. I usually use the canned beans. I use my strainer first, strain all the juices and stuff out, and make sure that it's just the beans itself, no liquid. And then I love olives. So that is something, I mean, you can choose whatever you like in your salad, but these are just things that I use every time. Olives. And then I love artichoke hearts. I get these either at Trader Joe's or I either get them at Aldi's. These are all Aldi brands. And of course, my salad of choice is the garden salad. Iceberg lettuce, red cabbage, and carrots. It's already thoroughly washed. It comes in this huge bag. I get it from Sam's. And then I usually have those little cherry tomatoes. I have to go outside and get some. I don't have a whole bunch left that are ripe, so I'm going to use these Roma tomatoes and just cut them up. As mentioned, the first ingredient is the salad dressing. Use whatever salad dressing you want, but you want your wet ingredients to be at the bottom of your container. Just make sure that is done with this process. Second ingredient for my salad is another wet ingredient, and that is the artichoke hearts. I absolutely love artichoke hearts. So I'm just gonna pick a bunch of these out and put them in my jars. I'm gonna cut them up and then distribute them into the jars. So I'll just use a whole jar of these. We'll cut them up. And that should do it. whatever gets me to eating more salads, I try to do it because I know how good they are for you. And with the salad mix, you can use kale, you can use spinach, you can use a bunch of different kinds. It's just truly up to you what you want in your salad. Okay. So the next ingredient is my black beans. We have the salad dressing at the bottom. We have the artichoke hearts next. And then I'm going to add beans. I'm just going to use a half a cup for each container. Half a cup. May need another can. No. I think that'll be enough. I think I will open another can. So since I added another can of beans, I'm just gonna add more beans to my salad, more protein. So let's just finish this off. I always tend to put beans in my salad. Now you may want to put protein as far as a meat protein in your salad, and if that is the case, I would put it in this layer as well, this third layer. You just want to make sure that your wet ingredients are on the bottom. But your meat, if you wanted to add some chicken or turkey or whatever, I would put it in this third layer. All right, so we have our dressing at the bottom. We have our artichoke hearts second. We also have our beans third. If you wanted to put meat in this section, I would put it in this section, the third section. Now I'm going on to my olives.
Uh-oh.
Now, technically, I could put the dressing first, then the tomatoes, but to me, we're still at the bottom, so I'm not going to make a big deal of it. I'm just going to I'm going to cut this up, but you definitely don't want this on the very top because this will run down into the lettuce and all the different greens that you have. So you want to at least keep this at the bottom layer. Now, like I say, I'm using this garden salad, iceberg lettuce, red cabbage, and carrot. The iceberg is pretty much just a lot of water, but I love the taste of iceberg, so that's what I'm using. So I'm just going to fill this by the handfuls. I just take my jar, and just start stuffing. And then I push it down. start stuffing again. I love this salad. Love, 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 love this salad. One more little handful and stuff it down. Now, one thing I didn't mention is what I put on the top. Normally, I will use golden raisins, but this time I have cranberries. So I'm just going to take a little small handful and just spread that on the top. This is where your dry ingredients go. You can use raisins, cranberries, dates, whatever you like. And then I use walnuts, which I really enjoy. So I put some in this little contraption that breaks them down for me. I usually like to use 1/4 of a cup. So I will, instead of cutting them with the knife, I just put it in here and let it and there you have it. Take the bottom off and then just pour. See if you can see that. Just pour that right on top of my salad. And there you have it. I have my poppy seed dressing at the bottom, my beans. This time they're black beans. I also have artichoke hearts in there cut up, and I have some olives, about 5 olives in this container. Then I have Roma tomatoes. I have a couple of handfuls of the lettuce. And then my dry ingredients, I have cranberries. And then I have my walnuts that are cut up on the very top. So what I do is I just close this up. And I place this in the refrigerator. I'm gonna do the same thing with all of them. And when I'm ready for a salad, I take this out. If I'm on the road somewhere, I am a garden nanny. I'm in people's gardens all the time, working in their gardens. So I will take this in a cooler and then I'll shake this up real good. I'll bring a fork and I'll eat right out of the jar. And it's always, to me, so very delicious and so refreshing. And it just makes me feel good that I get a salad in every day. So this is how I get it in every day. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. I did do a short on this, but I thought it would be good to do a long version of it as well, so you can see exactly how I do this. And I try to do this every week. Make as many as I believe I'm going to eat on the weekends. I may make 2 more, or I'll eat something different, but at least I have Monday through Friday set aside for my salads. So thanks guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so. I do loads of garden videos and cooking videos, even things that you could purchase like at the Dollar Tree and Aldi, one of my favorite places to buy plants. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.